Hi there, in this video we're going to review Alter Ego, Méthode de Français 5. So that's the book Alter Ego to Learn French. This book is part of a series, so this is number 5. Number 1 would be for absolute beginners. So what do you get when you're opening this book? There are 2 books, by the way. So this is the exercise book, and this is the handbook, which means that it's a book that you would probably use in a classroom. So would you buy it if you want to learn on your own French? Well, yes, but then you would need someone to explain you the things that you don't know, because the book is completely in French. Same so for the previous, the number 4, the 1 to 4. So you need someone to guide you in your learning. This one is for C level, so that's the most advanced. So that's for when you're finished with the intermediate level. Good. So let's open it up. And what do you see when you're opening it up? Oh, well, you see exercises and more exercises, and your revision, and more exercises. So it's more of an exercise book. You have to read a text and then you have to answer questions. Because this is what advanced students do. They just do questions, and then you get a lot of interesting vocabulary, and then you talk about it, and you talk about why is it like this, or etc. etc. There is a CD at the end, so there are also audio exercises that you can do, and the transcripts are at the end here, as you can see. Good. So that's the exercises, the handbook. And then there are more exercises, believe it or not, in the Cahier de Perfectionnement. So that's what a teacher would typically give you as homework, and then you get a lot of exercises. Again, the thing about this exercise book is that there are some grammar exercises, but there are no grammar exercises in the handbook, so pay attention to that. It's really good because at the end here you have the corrections, so you can check if what you wrote was correct. Good. What do I like about the book? Well, the texts are really good texts and interesting texts. The CD is also really, it's good quality. It's very fresh, and there are lots of material. However, if you're on your own, you need to pay attention to that you need someone else to help you with it. Is it the best book I've ever seen? Well, no, it's decent, it's good. You will learn a lot of it. The price is mid-range or a little lower than mid-range, which makes it a perfect book for classroom teaching, or if you want to learn yourself and you don't mind that you don't have all the corrections there. It's really interesting to do exercises on your own. You can buy the books through the links below, and see you in another video.